Hi, my name is Jivan.
My name is Preksha.
We are from grade 3. Our model for the day is all about layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere, second layer is stratosphere, third layer is mesosphere, fourth layer is thermosphere, fifth layer is exosphere.
First layer is troposphere. Troposphere is important layer because there is oxygen in this layer. Second layer is stratosphere. In stratosphere, aeroplanes can fly and it has ozone layer. It protects our earth from harmful rays of sun. Third layer is mesosphere. This layer will protect our earth from meteors. Fourth layer is thermosphere. In thermosphere, rockets can fly and it is very hottest layer. Fifth layer is exosphere. In exosphere, satellites are present in this layer. Thank you.